दोस्तों हम कुछ टेंस के बारे में सीखते हैं जो है आई एम हैप्पी, आई वॉज हैप्पी, आई विल बी हैप्पी। ही ड्राइव्स अ कार, ही ड्रोव अ कार, ही विल ड्राइव अ कार। आई स्टडी इंग्लिश, आई स्टडीड इंग्लिश, आई विल स्टडी इंग्लिश। She works, she worked, she will work. They eat lunch, they ate lunch, they will eat lunch. We play games, we played games, we will play games. He watches TV, he watched TV, he will watch TV. I live in a city, I lived in a city, I will live in a city. We go to school, we went to school, we will go to school. He reads a book, he read a book, he will read a book. I write a letter, I wrote a letter, I will write a letter. We buy groceries, we bought groceries, we will buy groceries. They visit friends, they visited friends, they will visit friends. He drinks coffee, he drank coffee, he will drink coffee. They ride bicycle, they rode bicycles, they will ride bicycles. I clean the house, I clean the house, I will clean the house. He wears glasses, he wore glasses, he will wear glasses. They drive to work, they drove to work, they will drive to work. I visit my family, I visited my family, I will visit my family. They work hard, they worked hard, they will work hard. He cooks dinner, he cooked dinner, he will cook dinner. She speaks Hindi, she spoke Hindi, she will speak Hindi. I watch movie, I watched movies, I will watch movie. ये सारे जो है टेंस है जिसमें प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस एंड फ्यूचर टेंस है। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को शेयर कर दीजिए।